Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hetvi Patel and today I am doing a video in which I will be trying a makeup hacks which are trending on Instagram, YouTube, mostly on 5 minutes craft and from the from YouTube shorts, and I have a bunch of hacks that I want to try it out, so I thought let's do it together.
This is my first video, so sorry everyone if I make any mistake because I don't know how to do this. So
Let's begin. Let's go. So basically I don't have any hack for primer, so I will be doing my primer. Normally I applied my primer, so I just let it sit for 30 to 50 seconds. Let's start with our first hack. So in this first hack I will be applying my foundation with my fingers.
in the other side I will be applying my foundation with my brush so that we can see the difference.
So now I will be blending my foundation with this brush. It's a flat foundation brush, so let's try.
I will not drag this, I will just blend this so we can see the finish.
So if I want to review this thing, both looks kind of the same. So if I want to use one thing, I will be using this technique. In this hack it's a thumbs up, but if you ask me that I will be using this hack, then it's a big no. So now I don't have any hack for concealer, so let's just apply a concealer the way in which I've applied every day. Now let's just blend everything out. I am done blending with my concealer. Now let's just make my under eyes. For that I will be using my beauty blender and my banana powder from Revolution. So let's go. Now I bake my under eyes. Now I'll let it sit for some time. Till then let's do the eyes. So for the eyes I have one hack. In this hack I have to apply my eyeshadow with my fingers like this, and then I have to just blend it together with one brush. I will be using this eyeshadow palette. I will be using this shade over here. Clear blending brush. I will be blend together. It's look like this. I will be using this big puffy brush. I love this brush. It's squishy. For the contouring part, I have one hack. I will be using this sugar palette in the shade 02 Vivid Victory. So I will be using this contour shade. Taking my bronzer over here, I'll do this and I'll just apply like this. Contour looks so sharp and chiseled. So if you ask me that I will be using this hack, yes, I will be using this hack. So for this hack and this hack, I will giving this a thumbs up. Now I have two mascara hacks. Applying one good amount of a loose powder on my lashes, and then I will be applying my mascara. In this video I will be using my Maybelline Lash Paradise mascara.
What I will be doing, I just taking some powder on my wand and then I dip it again in my bottle and then I'll apply a good amount of mascara.
Now let's use the another hack.
Run over my mascara like this and then I have to curl it up. Let's just curl it up.
So if you ask me, I can see the visible difference on this eye. I will be using this hack more.
So now I don't have any blush hack, so I will be applying my blush like normally.
So for my lips, I have one hack in which I have to apply my lip liner like this.
Then I have to fill everything and then so it gives me a plump look. I look like Joker. I look like Joker.
I don't like this hack. I have another hack for lipstick.
I'm back. I have my earbud. For the next hack, I have to place this earbud between my lips like this, and then I have to apply my lipstick like normally I do. So let's just start. Can you see this line?
For the lips, I will not using any of the hack. This is my final look. If you like this look, please give a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section that which part of this video you like the most. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to share it with your family, friends. Let me know in the comment section that if you like this look or not. Okay,